Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with a user-friendly option, and secondly I'll show you a more advanced option, let's say. So let's open the settings, then scroll all the way down to find System and Update, then tap on Software Update at the top, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then tap on Auto Update, and here we've got two different options which are connected with the automatic update. First of all, the auto download. Make sure that it is set to the Wi-Fi. I do not recommend tapping on Wi-Fi or mobile data because you may be charged for accessing the limit, so make sure that there is a Wi-Fi here. Moreover, I highly recommend tapping on this switcher to turn on the auto update overnight, because thanks to it, not only your device will automatically download the update, but also it will automatically apply it, so you won't need to confirm everything and so on and so on. Because as you can see here, we've got the information that the device will be automatically updated between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. and then restart it when it's not in use. So I really highly recommend, because thanks to it, all of updates will happen seamlessly. And the second way is a little bit more advanced. So let's start by going back to the settings and entering About Device. Here we have to scroll and find a version. And here we've got the version number, so keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and go to System and Update and tap on Developer Options. And here, after scrolling down a little bit, you can find this option, Automatic System Updates. So your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So again, it will work in a little bit more advanced manner. So you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and this option is right now active. Be aware, because probably if you will turn off the developer options, the automatic system updates will also be turned off. So just be sure that developer options are turned on, so this option will work. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.